Andy, we're going to play around with pitch. Do you know what pitch is?
Hey guys, here's a clip of a workshop I did with native speakers to help them with their communication. I thought that the things we discussed may also be helpful for you.
Okay.
Can you read for me your piece?
Sure. Help me slow my steps. Let our path endlessly wend. Linger beside me, reveling in brief touches. Share with me unhurried time.
Okay. You guys remember that? That's our control. We're going to need to check that in a couple minutes. That's our control. Andy, what am I going to do with you? What am I going to do?
I'm afraid to ask.
You're afraid to ask. Andy, we're going to play around with pitch. Do you know what pitch is?
Yes,
Okay.
I sing, so
You sing. Did you guys know that she sings?
he does.
Why don't they know that you sang, even though you just told us a poem? Oh, you think it's different, huh? Okay. That's fine. Andy, what I want you to do, I want you to read. Well, actually, before we do that. Andy, how low can you go?
I can go pretty low.
Can you go lower than that, Andy?
I think maybe I can.
Okay. Can you read for me the first, 2 lines of your poem, low voice, low?
Help me slow my steps. Let our path endlessly wend.
Andy, can you go high?
I can.
Okay, read the next 2 lines of your poem, high voice.
Linger beside me, reveling in brief touches.
Okay. You guys should be thinking about this for your own pieces, okay? I'm working with Andy, but I'm not working with Andy. You know what I mean? Okay? Andy, I want you to go back to line 1. Start from a low pitch, and then gradually I want you to go high.
This is a challenge.
This is a challenge.
Help me slow my steps. Let our path endlessly wend. Linger beside me, reveling in brief touches. Share with me unhurried time. It feels very squeaky. It feels unnatural.
That's because you never done it. Okay, I'm so glad you said that. Okay. You guys heard Andy give me a high-pitched voice a moment ago, right? You know this is in her. Did you confuse her for me? When she went high, did you confuse her for me? Did you think she was someone else here? Or did you think it was Andy the entire time? So it is you. It feels uncomfortable because you don't do it. But it's you. It's no one else here. It's still you. It's in there. All we're trying to do is show you, so I'm a communications coach. And when I'm teaching people communication, it feels uncomfortable because you're not currently using it, but that doesn't mean it's not you. It is you. In fact, you're just never using it. So I view learning communication as becoming the most you that you can become because it's all there. Now we can access it. I want to do this again. So Andy, we're going to start low, and then we're going to go a little higher, and then a little higher, and then a little higher, and squeak. I want to squeak.
I'll try.
I'll try. That's all I just want us to try. That's all.
Maybe a tanko is a bad choice for this. Because everybody gets to hear it over and over and again.
What does that have to do with this?
Help me slow my steps. Let our path endlessly wend. Linger beside me, reveling in brief touches. Share with me unhurried time.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay. If you find that hard, sometimes people when they're doing these exercises, they find one direction harder than the other. That's very natural. So if you find maybe trying to go low to high is a little bit hard, you can do the opposite. Maybe starting higher is easier than starting lower. So let's try the opposite.
Try.
Yeah, that's all we can do is try. Okay, Andy, I want you to start high, go down.
Help me slow my steps. Let our paths endlessly wend. Linger beside me, reveling in brief touches. Share with me unhurried time.
There we go, yeah. Andy, we just met, but that sounded much easier. Do you guys agree with me? I thought that sounded a lot easier. It seemed easier starting higher to work our way down than to work down and up. And we need to understand, as you do these exercises, you're going to learn so much about yourself because you're going to start understanding what works for your body. Because for me, it might be easier to do both ways. For you, it might be easier to do one way. Like, we have to see and find out. That's how we experiment. Okay. So going back to your poem, what I want you to do now, I don't care where you go high, I don't care where you go low, but at some point in your poem, I want to squeak. And at some point in a poem, I want it low. Can you do that for me? Can you try that for me?
Do my best.
That's all we can ask.
Help me slow my steps. Let our path endlessly wend. Linger beside me, reveling in brief touches. Share with me unhurried time.
Thank you, Andy. That's it. That's perfect.